All right, third place in total points with a 52-inch, what was identified as a sandbar shark by Brad over there, Frank Boninu. 250 bucks and a trophy.
Right. Nice.
Nice, buddy. All right. Second place in total points. 89-inch sand tiger, I think, was released about 5 minutes before close of business. Donald, let me see if I get this name right. Brushard. All right. There we go. 500 trophy. Stick around and we'll see Chris. All right. In first place in total points, there's that 101-inch sand tiger again. Come on up, Adam. Adam had a $1,500 thing. Check. All right. We're going to go ahead and draw the 50-50. All right.
Well, I'll tell you what. We'll draw for the. We had such a good tournament, no problems whatsoever. So I thought as a bonus we would give you. We've got 3 Penn 5000 GS reels. They're worth about $150 a piece. Everybody that's in the tournament is in. Whether you're here or not, that's the only fair way to do it because nobody knew I was going to do it. So we're going to draw 3 of these and give them away.
We need an impartial person drawing this.
Can one of you gals come over here? Pick it out for us, please. In fact, draw 3 of them. Yeah.
Pick 3 of them.
Sure.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. Just take me just a minute. Yeah.
Well, you mixed it up, didn't you? That's okay. You just have to take 150 out and then do the rest of it. All right.
First reel goes to Greg Norris. Greg, are you here? No? All right. We'll hold it for him. Next one goes to Rick Harper. Is Rick here? Oh, come on now.
Yeah, they're not going to know. Yeah.
They're not going to know. No, actually they are. All right.
All right. Oh. But you put the 150 that I had in there with it, right? Okay, well, I'm just going to give them the whole.
Yeah, I think you said. You hold the other side.
And the next one goes to Jay Gerner. I don't think Jay's here. Everybody that wasn't here won. That's a bummer. All right. I did all these. Okay. All right. They were none of them here.
Put a grenade after.
They were none of them here.
Put a grenade after. Yeah.
Well, we tried.
I need to see these.
All right. Draw the 50-50.
Yeah, just draw one out. Go ahead. We took in $35 for the 50-50. I'm just going to give it all to the winner.
All right. 971. I think you all had that. 9. Who's still in? 8, 3.
Everyone's a winner.
There you are.
Thanks.
Okay.
Chris.
I think that's everything.
All right, that concludes what we've got. We appreciate your coming. I hope you all had fun. I hope you would like to have it again next year. We're going to put in for a permit. We were on a 1-year trial basis. I thought it was fun.
It was fun.
It'll be around this time again next year.